Hello, ladies. Sharon's here. I am so glad you joined me today. You know what we're going to do? I just got the new Charlotte Tilbury Starry Eyes to Hypnotise palette. And girlfriends, we are going to do an eye look out of this. Take a look at those stunning colors. Yes, yes, yes. This is called, these three right here are called Seduce Glow. Now all you need are these three shadows to make a complete look. It's almost like it's a little mini palette in this one palette. And the next group of colors is called Dream Glow. And then you have Love Glow, which is the look we're going to do today. And then we have Happy Glow. This has already sold out. It's a limited edition. It's absolutely fantastic. You can take it anywhere. You can get any look you want out of it. It's appropriate. All right, so I want each and every one of my new subbies out there. Thank you so much for joining me. To be a part of my tribe, I invite you to scroll on down, hit that subscribe button. You'll be a member of my tribe. And then go on over, hit the bell, and be notifying you of my upcoming videos. I generally film twice a week. So ladies, let's get started on our eye look. Charlotte Tilbury Starry Eyes to Hypnotise. Okay, my ladies, I have on my foundation, and I have on my eyebrows, have on my lipstick, my blush. Now we're going to go and we're going to do the eyes. Fantastic colors. Three of them make a look, a different eye look. So it's almost like her little quad she had the colors all together. Well, she has these also. And this makes for a great look, and it's fast. Fabulous, darling, fabulous. So let's get right to it, okay? Because I want to come up with something pretty, but that I can wear every day as well. So let me get some of this hair back. Lord, it's all over the place. I look like a little old booger wolf. Okay, put that out of the way. That'll do it for right now. Okay, I am going to probably go with this High Glow. This is a pretty color right here, the High Glow. All three of these. All right, I'm going to start off with this brush. Is a tapered blending, and it's E35. I'm not sure, maybe a Sigma E35. Had it for a long time, but it works great in the corner. All right, so I'm going to tap in my color right here. Let me show you what I'm doing. Right here, tap in this color. Go like yay. To start on the edge, I have already primed my eyelids with MAC Painterly Pot and brushed over it with a off-white shadow. Now, let's work on this. On this transition line. Okay, I'm making little circles here. I'm not going to go through the whole like a tutorial deal, because I think by watching what I'm doing you'll get the idea. And then I'm going to brush this kind of straight across. I'm going to dab it in again. These colors are so smooth. They are so easy. Okay, you see that? That looks really pretty. Now let's go to the other side. Do the same thing on this side. Can you guys see good? Hope I hope. Smooth it all out. Blend, 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 blend. Dip in a little more. You know, it's hard to see with the lighting to see if you've got them both the same. But bear with me, girls, I think we do. Okay, that is the transition line. Now, the one thing I want to do is take a brush that is sharp or pointed down underneath, and I want to, as a matter of fact, I just found one. I'm going to take a little pencil brush here, and I'm going back into that transition color, which is the darker one, and I'm just going under my eyes. And I'm going up so it'll meet that color. That gives you the lift. Here I am with the tutorial bit again. Okay. You know, when you have small hooded eyes, everything is about the tools you use, the brushes. This one that I'm doing the under eye with is a Morphe 560. And as you can see, it's got that little point on it, and it goes right up under those lashes. Heavenly. Now the next color we're going to do is going to be to cover the lid next to it. So we're going to take another little brush, this one here. Where's my 217? That's what I'm looking for. Okay, now I'm going in and I'm going to pack some color in around the lid. So I'm going to press this all over the lid. Just pack it. That's what you want to do. Just pack it on. It's got a little of the shine in it. This is going to be so easy and fast for you gals. Okay. And I'm going back in with the other eye. And I'm going to pack this in. Okay. Okay, that looks good. And you see what I'm going for? See how natural and pretty that is? Okay. Now what we want to do that's fun is take the little enhancer color, the pop of color here. That's going to make it shine. Now everybody knows with Charlotte Tilbury, you just rub your finger in it and you pop it, or you can use your baby finger and pop it. Depends on how much space you have. I'm going to try my baby finger first. The idea to get the real shine out of these is to really dig in your finger like yay. So it comes out like yay. Blow excess off and then tap. See what I mean? Okay. I'm going to do the other side. Actually, I'm going to try to do my ring finger this time. Pretty gold color. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to try the way from here now. Mm-hmm. Okay, see what I mean? Now let's take a brush and let's do some blending. Now I'm going to blend kind of in semicircles. You just don't want any strong, harsh lines, and you kind of want to diffuse this into the color, and you can do it with this palette. It's not like a lot of the shimmers where once they're down, you got to take a darker color and go over it, and you got to do all this fixing. This is different. These are a lot more fun, and they're a lot easier. Okay, now I'm going back in under the eye, you know, with my main color that I had to begin with. Oh, and make it a little darker on the edge. So my eye will just pop. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going into this light gold color here, just like we just did with the pop on top of the lid. And I'm just going to put that in my inner eye here. You can also use your finger if you want. Okay, there you go. Now the idea now is to tight line or either take your liner across the top of your lashes, close to your lashes, and then smudge it and then put on your mascara. So I'll be back in a minute with the finished look. Okay, my ladies, I am back. I think I'm whole again, and this is the final look. I'm going to put just a little bit of that gold, a tiny bit of that gold on my arch of my eye up the top. As you can see, the beautiful thing about Charlotte Tilbury is these lighter colors are not super glittery. They're kind of more shimmer in them. And then they're a subtle shimmer as well. So this looks heavenly. Alright, my ladies. Ooh, I'm whole again. And there you have it. This fantastic palette. Absolutely fantastic. You can get a ton of looks. I mean, this is going to be a great smoky look here that I'm going to try. And then this is another subtle, everyday kind of grays, you know, and golds in there together, which is going to be stunning. This is the one I did today. And then, of course, we have another one down here. This is called the Happy Glow. Happy Glow. Today was Love Glow. Then there is Dream Glow. And then there is Seduce Glow down on the end. These are just gorgeous, gorgeous. If you had just this one palette, you wouldn't need anything all year long or for any other event. I mean, they go on, they look gorgeous, they make you look rich. They are heavenly to work with. I'm in love with this palette. In love and love and love and love and love. And I've got every quad, but can I tell you, this is the bomb. This is the bomb. It has everything right at your fingertips, and it's perfect. Now, this again is the Starry Eyes to Hypnotise by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to list it down below, the link and the price and so forth. You're going to absolutely love this, girls. I want to thank each and every one of you for being with me today and going through my get ready with me with my eyes. And thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy it. Get yours quick before they run out again. To each and every one of my new subbies, I want to thank you so very much for joining me. And to everyone, I want you to stay sassy, classy, and confident. And give me a big thumbs up on this video.